another flashlight review. I'm reviewing the LED ledlenser T2. Look how far the beam goes. As you can see, I bet you can't, but the beam can go about 250 meters or 360 feet, man. This is me making a flashlight review. My YouTube channel's Apollo Williams, and I'm making a flashlight review. Man, oh my God, making a flashlight review, Dang, if you saw my last video reacting to Darkest Kids movies, one of them says, oh crap. This is Southern's review of the LED ledlenser T2. Yokes. That's the beam 360 feet away. That's the beam. You barely see it. I'm reviewing the flashlight. If you ever saw the Watership downhill, because I'm Southern, I was raised and born in Texas. Yeah, man. I'm reviewing a flashlight. Yep, bye. Please don't demonetize my videos. Oh my God, shut the heck up. Bye. Let me apologize.